Hey, it's Bonnie, and today I'll be putting up for download this add-on. It is an instant structure add-on, and what this add-on does is it allows you to make any of these structures with only one command. So I could generate houses or just random 3D models or trees, only using one command. So let me show you how it works. Alright, so for this one, all you have to do is type in function and then type any of these commands. If you type in function list, it'll show you a list of all the structures and houses that I've added, and it'll show you the command you can use to spawn them in. For example, if you want to spawn in a house, you can use any of these commands: function house 1, function house 2, 3, or 4, or modern house. I've also added a few different types of houses. I've also added a bunch of trees, so let me show you how it works. So if I type in function house 1, something takes a few seconds, but that's the one that spawned in. And let me show you another one. If I type in house 2, generated this house. And I've also added some modern houses. So if I type in function modern house 1, this is the one it generates. But I've also added a few random ones like this one. This one's a giant Charmander. So if I type function Charmander, this is what it generates. And depending on how many people actually, if people are interested in this, I'll add a lot more houses or trees. I also added, let me show you the trees. If I type in function tree 1, sometimes it'll generate them right where you are. But let me show you. This is really good for making maps. You could just spawn in a bunch of trees, or let me show you a few others. And yeah, this is how you spawn them in. Let me show you a different way of how you could spawn them in, so it could be easier. So one way you could use this is if you place a bunch of armor stands just randomly, or it could actually be any mob or anything. But let me show you how to generate a bunch of these at one time. So if I use this command, execute a type equals armor stand, and then I type in function tree, it'll generate a tree wherever those armor stands were at, and then you can just kill the armor stands. And yeah, it's that simple. And if you guys want me to add any other type of structures or trees, just let me know, or houses, whatever it is, and I will add it in a future update. But for now, it already has about 50 different structures you could spawn in. And yeah, that's it. The download's gonna be in the description. If you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, that's it.